So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about these 20 by 20 fake panels of foliage. Stick around. If you are new to this channel and would like to stay up to date on the Amazon Fire devices and other product reviews, please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon and choose all notifications. I'm showing you these 20 by 20 panels. They're wonderful. They're really great. Now I have some wrought iron fencing out front and I want a little bit of privacy, but I don't have time to have any plants grow or anything. And plus, who wants to do all that yard work? Nobody wants to do all that yard work. Come on. Just going to mess up my hair, right? So this way, when you put up the fake foliage, which is going to be great year-round, it's not going to shed, it's not going to fade out, the weather's not going to destroy it, and here they are. Look how bright those are. Look, you can barely even see me between those. Now, you can choose just to use this for your privacy fencing, but what I did was I put actual privacy fencing on the other side as well. So you can see how thick these are. Look how thick. Look at how luxurious this is. You can see from the side, and then these are wonderful. These are so nice. These are 20 by 20. Now you can snap them together by the sections, but it does come with 20 little zip ties, which I made sure I had a large pack of zip ties to make sure to put them together and hold them together. And what I did was I had to lay on the floor in the house and put them together and then carry the panels 4 by 4 out there and actually attach it. Now, it does say it has UV protection. It does say that they're not going to fade or anything, which is really great. Again, I don't want to do yard work. I'm trying to stay away from that. It's just way too hot to be dealing with all that. And plus, you don't have to water these at all. And they have been great so far. It's been about 3 weeks. I'm very excited by these. And they're just really, really nice. I do have 2 panels left. It came in a pack of 12, and these are 20 by 20, so I used 10 panels. Now, a lot of people have used them in their bathroom or their living room or whatever their decor might be. So they've been using them for, you know, their patios. Like right here, it says right here in the description that you can use it for a green wall backdrop, a greenery backdrop wall, a wall grass decor, artificial hedge, and wall panels, artificial boxwood hedge panels, fake grass for wall, fake grass wall decor, fake grass panel walls. And the pictures I've seen of it in people's bathrooms is amazing. It really brings an outdoor feel to an indoor room. And again, for, you know, if you have a patio and you want some privacy, these are great to have. And here it is again. You see it's very, very flexible. You see the backing here is a hard plastic. You can see the little slats right here that you snap them in together with each other. But to me, that's not good enough. To me, you need to use some strong zip ties to hold them together. And then I use zip ties to attach it to my wrought iron fencing and they don't move at all. Even it was so windy the other day, they didn't move a stitch, which is great. And these did not come off either. Look how luxurious these are. These are so, so thick. These are nice. Looks about 1 inch to 2 inches that it sticks out, but they're really nice. They look real. You can see even as a privacy right here, it's not bad, you know, but I do have a green privacy fencing on the other side of it, but I think they're really, really nice. Again, indoor, outdoor use. I guess if they get dirty, you could hose them off, but they don't fade in the sun. And so far, they've been up there 3 weeks. And even with the rainstorms we've had, nothing has happened to them. Now, the site does say that it sets up in minutes, but it took me a few hours. So maybe because I'm just not used to it. But again, I had to lay on the floor and I had to snap them together. And then I used about 40 or 50 different zip ties to go in to really latch them together and then to also attach them to the wrought iron fencing system. So That's really nice. And, you know, I do not want to be doing yard work. I am going to be putting some grass or flowers at the base of this to really, really dress it up a little bit. But you can see by the pictures I'm sharing with you how nice it looks. And even coming up the driveway, you can see how wonderful it looks from the street. So to me, it looks great. So a little bit at a time. We just do a little bit of work at a time just to get things going. So, you know, I just really like them, and I wanted to do this quick review on these 20 by 20 panels. It came in a pack of 12, and I used 10 panels. That's right, I used 10 panels. That's right, 10. They do have other sizes. They do have boxes with a lot more. It came in a big box, and I was very surprised because the box is pretty heavy. So they're pretty solid. So if you guys are looking for something like this, for any kind of privacy wall or decor for your home, make sure to check out the link in the description so you can take a look at their page and see what it's all about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, be kind to others, share a smile. You just might make someone's day.